Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about third chapter of accountancy. Chapter name is admission of a new partner. In this chapter we are going to cover entries those are concerned with your chapter. So let's begin. First of all, I explained you what are causes for admission of a new partner, my dear student. Many causes are concerned with admission of a partner. Requirement of capital, means to say old partners are not able to contribute more capital for expansion of business. So for capital he can take admission of a new partner. Secondary, if he want a experienced person for running firm business smoothly, means to say for efficient running of the business he can be admitted a new partner into firm. For increasing capital of firm, for expansion of business he can admitted a new partner into firm. On time of admission of a new partner, this is reconstitution of a partnership firm. On that time many types of problems facing by partner, and problem solution are solving by maintaining accounts. What types of problem? Number one, profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio. On time of admission some part of profit, some part of shares, some parts of share of profits will be taken by a new partner. Share of profit getting by a new partner, that portion will be sacrificed by old partners. So first of all there was needed of calculation of new profit sharing ratio of all partners. Secondary, valuation of goodwill. On time of admission, required valuation of goodwill by predetermined method, and amount of share of goodwill concerned with new partner, he will bring in cash or debited into his account. So second problem is valuation of goodwill. Third problem is revaluation of assets and liabilities. My dear student, on time of admission, there was needed of revaluation of assets and liabilities value for distribution of defect or surplus money among old partners in their old ratio. Next problem is distribution of old profit, means undistributed profit, reserve or funds. On time of admission, there are required distribution of old profit balance, reserves balance, among old partners in their old ratio. Next problem is determining of capital of a new partner. This problem will be solved after discussing old and new partner. These types of problems will be solved by a recording of transactions. So let's begin. What types of entries will be concerned on the time of admission of a new partner? First of all, journal entries related with admission. On increase in the value of assets, entry passed for that concerned assets account DR to revaluation account. On decrease in the value of assets, revaluation account debit to concerned assets account. Increase in the value of liabilities, revaluation account debit to concerned liabilities account. Decrease in the value of liabilities, concerned liabilities account DR to revaluation account. Profit on revaluation, revaluation account debit to old partners capital account. Profit will be allocated among old partners in their old ratio. Loss on revaluation, old partners capital account debit to revaluation account. Loss, if there is loss will be allocated among old partners in their old ratio. After then, distribution of reserve profit, profit and loss account oblique general reserve account DR to old partners capital account. Amount of reserve or profit and loss allocated among old partners in their old ratio. Next is amount of capital bring by new partner in cash or bank account DR to new partner's capital account. Journal entries related with goodwill. First is on amount of goodwill bring by new partner in cash or bank account DR to premium for goodwill account, and after then amount of goodwill will be allocated among old partners in their sacrificing ratio, and entry passed for that premium for goodwill account DR to old partners capital account. Second case for goodwill, on amount of goodwill bring by new partner in cash and withdraw by old partners, then cash or bank account DR to premium for goodwill account, premium for goodwill account DR to old partners capital account, and part of goodwill withdraw by old partners, entry passed for that old partners capital account DR to cash or bank account. Next is when benefit of goodwill given to old partners without raised of goodwill account, on that time entry passed for that new partners current account DR to old partners capital account. Share of goodwill amount distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Accounts opened in the books of firm in chapter admission, revaluation account, partners capital account, partners current account if required, cash or bank account, and opening balance sheet. So dear student, listen carefully concerned points of admission and take care. All the best.